Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve filters not working on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve filters not working on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here in this list, you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.